Listen, I got this question just a little while ago from a follower who said, "Look, listen, Oliver, I am just losing so frantically, and my account is down big. What do I do? How do I reverse this? I don't know what to do." And I felt it was an opportunity for me to share my answer with you. All right. Whenever you find yourself in a bind with your trading, if you're going through this long losing streak and you simply do not have an answer, it's usually because you are trying to run away from the problem instead of solve the problem. What I mean by that is you're losing, so you're trying not to lose, which is actually the wrong thing. I know it doesn't make sense to a certain extent, but you've got to attack the problem head on. Most people who are losing, they're trying not to lose. So they're running away from the loss. Do you follow what I'm saying? And that's the worst thing to do. You have to solve the losing. You can't just turn your back on the problem and try to run in the opposite direction and keep your ailments, keep your demons, keep your mistakes, keep your errors, keep your misconceptions, keep your misbeliefs, keep all the things that are producing the losses you keep. So you try to turn away from those things and run in the opposite direction. It doesn't work that way. All right, so here's what you do. Why is this thing seem so, the light's coming in hot on me here? So here's the thing you have to do, guys. Instead of trying to win, you got to try to lose right. You're experiencing loss incorrectly, and you're continuing to do that while trying to win. You've got to focus on losing correctly. And this is the great paradox, that you improve trading not by trying to win more. You improve your trading by trying to lose more properly, to lose more correctly, to lose more professionally. Do you follow what I'm saying? So here's how you do that. My answer was as follows. Here, right? My answer was as follows. You take your last 20 losses. You calculate the average loss over your last 20 losses. Let's say your average losing trade was $100. I'm not saying, listen, I'm just keeping the numbers simple. Whatever the average is, it could be $1,000, $10,000, $500, but let's keep the numbers simple. Let's say my average losing trade over the past 20 trades is $100. So what you're going to do is, once you have that average, you're going to lose 20 more times. You're going to focus on losing. You're not going to focus on winning. You're not going to try to make a winning trade. You're not going to try to make money. You're going to try to produce an additional 20 losing trades. Look at this, at 1/2 of your average. So if your average was 100, you're going to produce the next 20 losing trades at $50 or less. That is your mission. That is your goal in life. And watch the magic that happens. Do you understand that it's the losing trades that are choking your winning trades? It's not the lack of wins. It's the losing incorrectly that's suffocating the wins that you get. Everyone gets wins. Your wins are going to take care of themselves. You need to shore up and take care of the only responsibility that you have, and that is the losing side. Listen, the market's responsibility is the profit side. Your responsibility as a trader is the losing side. But what you're trying to do is do the market's job. You're trying to win. And the market says, listen, I've got the winning side. You're not doing your side. Let me do my job. Let me take a stock from 20 to 24. You don't do anything to help me with that. Let me take a stock from 60 to 62. You don't help me with that. The only job you have as a trader is to cut the losses. The stock is saying, I need your help cutting the losses because I don't have breaks. You're my breaks. But you keep trying to meddle with my position, my job, my responsibility. Do your job, I'll do my job. Do you understand this? So the trader's job is to lose properly, to stop the stock. The stock doesn't have breaks. The stock doesn't have a law. The stock doesn't have a rule. It doesn't come to you with these pre-designed parameters. You have to bring the structure, the law, the limit, the stop. You've got to bring that to the stock. And the stock takes care of the upside. You take care of the downside, right? So most traders have this all backwards, guys. You're focusing on, let me try to win more. No, try to lose better. Do your job. Your job is on the losing side. Do you follow what I'm saying? Your job is on the losing side. Your job is to focus on losing properly. Your job is to lose professionally. Your job is to help the stock not lose its shirt. Your job is to give the stock breaks. Your job is to stop the hemorrhaging. Your job is to save the stock when it cannot save itself. That is your job. So you take your average loss over the average loss losing trade over the past 20 trades. Then your mission in life, do you understand this? That your mission in life is to lose 20 more times at 1/2 of that amount, and watch the magic that happens to your trading. By focusing on the loss, you're going to see some of the most incredible winning trades of your life. They're just going to happen and flower. Do you know why? Because you will be finally focused on the only responsibilities you have, which is to stop the loss. Do this, traders. Do this. Most novices out there, do you think they know what their average losing trade is? No. That's why they're novatos. That's why they're novices. I want you to know what your average losing trade is, and then I want you to go on a mission to cut that average in half. And do this the next month, and you're going to come back to me. You're going to shower me with gifts, and I like gifts. I'll take all of them. I'll take all of the gifts.